Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more beginner friendly stitch. This stitch has only 4 rows to repeat and it's perfect for beginners, as I said, because it has only knit and purl stitches. The stitch will be perfect for blankets, of course, for kitchen towels or for cardigans. In video tutorial I'm using 4 millimeters knitting needles and medium weight yarn. For this stitch, if you're going to knit it in rows, cast on any odd number. If you're going to knit in rounds, cast on any even number. So first row, slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch, then purl 1 and slip the next stitch holding working yarn in front and slip it purlwise and repeat. Purl 1, slip next stitch purlwise holding working yarn in front, and again purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip next stitch purlwise holding working yarn in front, and please do not pull working yarn too tight when you start purling. At this point, purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip, and let's finish this row a little bit faster. Purl 1, slip, purl 1, slip till the end. If you wonder, I cast it on 31 stitches. Purl 1, slip. At the end, purl 1, because we cast on odd number, and purl the very last silly stitch. We will always purl it. Turn row number 2, slip the first stitch, and here just knit 1, and the stitch that we slipped we always purl. So ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 till the end. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 3, we are going to knit all stitches. Knit all stitches till the end. Purl selvage stitch, turn and last row, row number 4, purl all stitches across. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches. and purl the last stitch. That's it, turn. So that's what we have so far. After that, start repeating from row number 1. Purl 1, slip next stitch, purl 1, slip next stitch. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you still need a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.